Hello again. I've got the sap or the syrup, I guess it is now, in the cabin cooling down. I won't know if I've got the consistency right until it cools, and I try a little bit, but I think I'm close. And yes, the proper method is to use a hydrometer, and I don't have that equipment. Anyways, the famous cooking rock has made its appearance out of the snow again. And so I've brushed it off with a wire brush and placed some lard on it, and we'll season it again. There's a crack here and a crack here. So I don't know if it's going to make it through the season, but I hope it does. Anyways, I'm excited to see it. All things being equal, I'll be cooking a chicken tomorrow. Later, people.